Bustards are large, terrestrial birds that are part of the Otididae family, which is related to cranes and rails. They are primarily ground-dwelling, but can fly, and are known for running away from threats instead. Bustards have long legs for running, compact bodies, and erect necks that extend forward of their legs. Bustards can range in size from 16 to 59 inches long, and are omnivorous, eating leaves, seeds, fruit, buds, small vertebrates, and invertebrates. Male and female. Males are much larger and more robust than females. Scientific name: Otis tarda, great bustard. Habitat: found in open grasslands and steppes in Europe, Asia, and Africa. Diet: omnivorous, eating plants, seeds, insects, and small vertebrates. Reproduction: bustards lay 2 to 3 eggs, which are incubated by the female. Males do not participate in chick rearing.